Tips for quickly learning German. Guten Tag. Learning German can be challenging, but with the right approach, it can also be a lot of fun. In this video, I'm going to share some tips to help you quickly pick up the basics of German. Tip 1. Focus on vocabulary. Start by memorizing the most common German words. The more vocabulary you know, the easier it will be to understand and speak German. Tip 2. Practice every day. Make a habit of practicing German every day. Set aside some time to review vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. You can also listen to German music or watch German movies to immerse yourself in the language. Tip 3. Write in German. Writing in German is a great way to reinforce what you've learned. Try writing short paragraphs or even just a few sentences in German every day. This will help you improve your grammar and sentence structure. Tip 4. Use language learning apps. There are many language learning apps that can help you quickly learn German. So those are my tips for quickly learning German. Remember to focus on vocabulary, practice every day, write in German, and use language learning apps. With a little persistence and dedication, you'll be speaking German in no time. Viel Glück. Good luck.